shared pages. So how the same page is shared by different processes? Let us see. So we can go for a share. We can share the code, or we can also share the code as well as the data. So coming to the first one copy of read-only code shared among processes. You have one set of in one page you have some set of code you assume. So that set of code you can share it between n processes, maybe via the text editors or compilers or Windows system, whatever. So shared code must appear in same location in the logical address space of all processes. So how is it you are going to share? So whatever the logical address you have generated, no, that address should be same for all the processes. Then only you can share that particular page. Fine, that you can understand with the example. So coming to the private code and data here, each process keeps a separate copy of the code and data. So if I want to consider three processes, same set of code if you want to execute. So process 1 has to keep one copy of it, and process 2 again, process 3 again. So then only we can call it as the data is shared between them. So the pages for the private code and data can appear anywhere in the logical address space. It should have a separate copy, but it's not compulsory that it has to store it in the the particular location. No, it's not like that. It can store it in any location. That we will see. See here I have taken an example of process P1, then process P2, then process P3. Process P1, these are the different set of instruction I want to execute. I have page 1 with what is it, some data here, ED1, editor 1, editor 2, editor 3, data 1. See, same thing I want to use it by another process 2, say another process 3. Say, for example, same ED1 I am using here, ED2 I am using here, ED3 I am using here. Same ED1, ED2, ED3 is used by P3 also. But here data 1 is different, data 2 is different, data 3 is different. Same set of instruction I am trying to execute on data 1 with respect to process 1, data 2 with respect to process P2, then data 3 with respect to process P3. But the only condition here, it's not compulsory that ED1 should come always first. No, it's not like that. But the only thing is you should see ED1 which page number you have taken here, 3 here. The same ED1 should come at 3 here. Same way ED1 at 3 here. So what is the order you have taken? ED1, ED2, ED3. Same way ED1, ED2 if you have taken, then same number you are supposed to take. 3, 4, 6 you are supposed to take. The last page number is different. That's not compulsory. So here also 3, 4, 6 same pages you have taken. If that is the case, you can not necessary to store 3 times here. Only one time you can store it onto the physical memory. See here, data 1 I have in one of the free frame, then data 3 I have ED1, ED2, ED3, data 2. That's all. So how many location you need here now? You are sharing the same set of instruction and only data is different. But instructions with respect to ED1, ED2, ED3 is used by all the 3 processes. So many location you need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But totally 4 3s are what is this? 4 3s are 12 you have. Not necessary to go for 12 slots here. So that is how you can go for sharing the code. Here this is an example for sharing of code between